Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record your Android phone screen even when your phone is not rooted. Okay, and guys, we will be using one app called AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, so to install the app you need to open the this Play Store. Okay, and after that in this search box over here you need to type this AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, as you can see guys, it's showing over here AZ Screen Recorder, no root. Okay, so just tap on this and here we have the app. Just tap on this install button over here and just tap on this accept button. As you can see guys, it's downloading. It's not a very big app, it's only 15.15 megabytes and it can take some time depending on your internet connection. And you can see guys, it's installing. And after it's done installing, you just need to tap on this open button over here. And here we have this little message from AZ Screen Recorder. You need to grant pop-up window, that is alert permission to use AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, if you don't know how to grant this permission, please watch the video tutorial. Okay guys, so if you like, you can watch this video tutorial, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so just tap on this grant permission, this link over here, and just tap on this other permissions. And here we have this display pop-up window. Okay, so just tap on that in order to enable that. Okay, so just tap on this accept and it's now enabled. You can see this green check mark over here. Okay, and after that you need to find this AZ Screen Recorder on your phone, and here we have this. Okay, so just tap on this the app. As you can see, it's now opening. And here we have this menu. We can go to the settings, we can take the screenshot, we can record the Android phone screen, and you can do also live stream by using this, and they have the featured apps, you can check it out. Okay, so because we wanna record our Android phone screen, so we just need to tap on this the record, this icon over here. Okay, so let me do that. And here we have this message, AZ Screen Recorder will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. Okay, if you like, you can check this. I'm checking that. Don't show again this message, and you need to click on this start now. Okay, to start recording your Android phone screen. Okay guys, as you can see the countdown, and it's now recording. Okay, and in order to pause this recording, you need to pull down the notifications, and here we have this AZ Screen Recorder. The screen is being recorded. Tap here to stop. Okay, you can tap on this stop button to stop it, and also you can tap on this pause. Okay, in order to pause this recording. Okay, and you can resume that. So let me show you. Let me tap on this pause. Okay, so it's now paused. And suppose if you want to resume that again, you need to pull down the notifications, and here we have this resume. Okay, so just tap on this and it's again started recording. Okay, so let me pause that. Sorry, let me stop this. So just tap on this stop button in order to stop the recording completely. Okay guys, so here we have our recorded this video. So let me show you guys how you can find that. Okay, so in order to find the recording, we just need to tap on this the AZ Screen Recorder, this little icon we have. Okay, and here we have this menu. So just tap on this settings. Just tap on this this video, this icon we have. Okay, and this is the recording we just recorded. Okay, so if I tap on that to open it, you can see this is our video that we just recorded. Okay, let me go back. And also guys, if I tap on this little this three dots over here, You can delete it, you can rename it, you can share it, you can compress this. So let me tap on this share in order to show you guys how you can share that. Okay, you can share this file on YouTube, on WhatsApp, okay, and also on Bluetooth and other apps you have on your phone. Okay guys, so let me go to the settings again, this little gear icon, and here we have this control options, the encoder. If I tap on that, we have this this advanced, this options we have, default, mode stable. So as you can see, this message only enable below option if you are facing green screen problem. So we are not facing any green screen problems, so this is working fine. Okay, so just tap on the OK, and you can use the magic button, but this one is paid feature. And here we have this stop options. Okay, so let me tap on that in order to show you guys. So as we pull down the notifications in order to stop this stop the recording, you can change that also. You can show red blinking dot, single tap on the dot to pause or resume, okay, and double tap to stop. Okay guys, so you can also use this stop on screen off, lock the screen to stop recording, stop on shake device to stop recording, enable time limit. You can enable the time limit also, stop recording when time out. Okay, so let me show you. Just tap on this in order to enable it, and you can change the time limit over here in seconds. Okay, so let me cancel that. Let me off this feature because I don't want to use this right now. And you can tap on this show red blinking dot. So let me just show you guys. Okay, and let me off this feature, stop by notifications. Okay, and let me go back to the app. Okay, so just tap on this in order to record the Android phone screen. Okay, again tap on this little this video icon. As you can see, it's now it's countdown and it's now recording, and here we have this little dot. Okay, so in order to pause this recording, you just need to tap on this. Okay, only one tap. Okay, so it's now paused. And in order to resume that, you just need to tap on that, only one tap. Okay, and it again started recording. Okay, and in order to completely stop the recording, you just need to double tap on this. Okay, so let me do that 2 times. So guys, it's now stopped. Okay, so this is our recording, and we can easily find that from here. Just tap on this AAG screen recording, this little icon, and just go to the settings and go to this the video icon we have, and this is our recording that we just recorded by using the let me show you, by using this red dot stop options. Okay, so I like using this stop by notifications. So let me enable that again, and let me turn off this option. Okay, and let me go back, and guys, you can change the resolution over here. Okay, by tapping on that, you can see a 1920 by 1080, 1280 by 720. Okay, you can just choose any resolution. Okay, so suppose if I want this resolution, okay, 1920 by 1080, so I just need to tap on this. Okay, as you can see, it's now changed. You can change the frame rate, bit rate, you can also change the orientation. Okay, suppose if I want to change orientation, you just need to tap on this. Okay, and here we have this auto, landscape, portrait. Okay, so in this way, guys, you can check out these features over here. And let me show you one more feature of this. So let's go back to the app. Let me tap on this AAG screen recorded. and here we have this screenshot. Okay, so suppose if I want to take the screenshot, okay, of this current screen, so I just need to tap on this. Okay, as you can see, I just tapped. As you can see, it's now it's taking the screenshot. Okay, and here we have our screenshot, and in order to find that, you just need to go to the settings. Okay, so let me tap on that and tap on this settings, and here we have this screenshot, this tab over here. Okay, and this is the screen that we just took. Okay guys, so in this way guys, you can use this this AZ screen recorder to capture your Android phone screen very easily. So hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thanks, bye bye.